20 Ways to Profit from PLR. A huge misconception of PLR is that it's a pre-written ebook or report that you can sell. This is true, but what people fail to realize is you can achieve so much with PLR content. PLR is so versatile, and below you will see why. 1. Blogging, an obvious choice, but splitting PLR reports and articles into blog posts saves time and can be very informative if you are not so much an expert on the subject. Split your ebooks and reports into blog post content and use excerpts on social media to link back to your blogs. Simple traffic for very little work. 2. Website content. Content is king, and having content at hand in the form of PLR is cheap and effective for website content. Split your ebooks and reports into website content. 3. Free downloads. Use your PLR as a free giveaway on blogs, social media, and via email broadcasts and autoresponders to your subscribers. Simple and highly effective to build trust. 4. Research and development. Stuck for content or don't know enough about a particular subject? PLR is perfect for research and product development. The work is done for you. All you need to do is apply your own product look and feel, and you become the expert. 5. Autoresponders. By splitting articles and reports, you can create your own autoresponder content and mini courses. By adding these to your autoresponder of choice, you can then offer these courses as incentives to join your mailing lists. In your course, you can also link back to products, services, and affiliate products. 6. Traffic magnets. Like all created content, you can repurpose PLR articles, images, videos, reports, ebooks across all blogs, website, and social media platforms to generate traffic back to your own sites. Example: use PLR images on Pinterest, text snips on Twitter, images on Insta, niche content on Facebook pages. 7. Workshops and online webinars. Stuck for content for a webinar you know little about? Using niche PLR in webinars and workshops is a perfect example of utilizing PLR on subjects you know little about to deliver high-quality training. 8. Affiliate marketing. Niche content and information about a particular product or service can be extremely valuable for selling affiliate products or advertising affiliate links. Use your PLR ebooks, reports, and articles to advertise affiliate links on blogs, websites, and social media. 9. Niche websites. One of the best ways of becoming an authority in a particular niche is by grabbing great PLR content and applying that content to a website. Split the reports and articles into web pages, send traffic from social media, and even sell the PLR or related PLR on your website. 10. Online training courses. Very similar to webinars, but you don't have to do this live. By adding more content to an already comprehensive package, such as videos, audio, and extra reports, you can create a complete online training course. These sell for 10x more than conventional reports and ebooks. 11. Home study courses. There is a lot of money in downloadable home study courses. By packaging a comprehensive amount of niche PLR content, you can create a complete home study course. This does require a sales page and graphics edit, but the sales cost can far outweigh the creation outsourcing costs. 12. Training guides. By offering training on your websites, social media pages, and blogs, you can become an authority. There are a lot of PLR video training courses you can buy to show your visitors how to do something in your niche of choice, e.g. blog training courses. 13. Multiple language PLR conversions. Although most PLR we see is written in UK or US English, there is a lot of scope for making income in alternative languages. All of the tips in the report apply to this tip when you convert your PLR to alternative languages. 14. Guest posting. Take some PLR, rewrite it in your own style, and put it up for guest posting on authority blogs. Nothing new here, but it drives traffic and promotes you as an authority in your niche. Asterisk tip: be sure to put maximum effort into rewriting to make your brand appealing to other readers. 15. Sales pages. Stuck for a sales page for a product or home study course? You can use PLR product sales copy as a basis for your own sales copy. Most sales copy PLR is written by professionals, so using these pages can be advantageous to build on. 16. Branding your reports. One of the greatest failures when using PLR is not branding the report as your own. As shown in the video series in the PLR Monster training area, simply flipping a report and not adding your own links, contact details, website branding and logos can be highly detrimental to your business. 17. Building a niche package. Niche packages consist of multiple PLR packages rolled into one PLR package to create more value and more resale price. Creating packages like this can be very successful and lucrative if done correctly. Always remember to change the sales copy and add new graphics to display the whole niche package collection. 18. Physical products. There is usually quite an on-cost for physical product conversion. However, you can also charge a premium for a physical product. Convert all reports to physical books, or add to DVDs, create a printable cover and you have a physical product you can sell from your websites or auction sites. 19. Social media content. Take your PLR and split it up into usable content to add to social media sites such as Instagram, Facebook pages, LinkedIn etc. with backlinks to your websites, blogs, sales pages etc. Go ahead and drive some traffic as an expert in your niche. 20. Create a membership site. Creating a membership site has never been so easy with niche-specific PLR. Using a popular niche such as traffic, you can create a monthly subscription membership site using PLR material. Also, because the niche is so abundant, you should never run out of material. We hope you enjoyed 20 ways to profit. All you have left to do now is put these strategies into action.